everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. And for this vlog guys, kay mula na sad mi sa akong baby kay mo ato mig bar, magkaon mi kolatsyon ni dito, breakfast mi dito, and then magpaputol sad mi ani pants sa akong bana, dulo ka pants, gonna be putol. Kanang magpaputol mi sa iyang pants pa kay dako man kay iyang pants. Then this is our outfit for today. Yeah, so bad weather today, and this is our outfit now. Yeah, this is my outfit, and of course this is my white t-shirt I'm wearing. This is my husband giving me a Rolando Woolen souvenir, and of course I have my necklace green also over there, my necklace, because I have a green painting there on my t-shirt. So my necklace is also fashion jewelry, there is a name like MG, and my earrings is green also, flowers, and my pants is sky blue, and my bag is sky blue. So this is my bag. So this bag possible to do like this sling bag, or this kind of position of my bag, and then possible also to do like a backpack. So this bag possible to do backpack, my dear friends. So I can do backpack. Look, I'm very comfy and folded also the bag, so I like it also guys. So look, I can do backpack like that. And yeah, I have wearing belt because my pants is going down, so I have belt. So wearing a belt and shoes, gray shoes, and of course I have also a bracelet, green color bracelet, and my watch. That's it for today, our outfit for today. And of course, because it's so cold, I have a jacket, for a spring jacket. I would like to have a black, but I didn't find a black that can be fit for me also. So this is my jacket. So this is my jacket guys. Yes, like this. Look like I'm working in the office. So this is my jacket guys for today, and this is my outfit, and yeah, this is my bag. So now we're going now because my baby is super excited to go out while no raining, but weather actually. So now it's ready to go, and I will bring my husband to cut these pants because it's so big. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and see you. Bye bye. No makeup in GB. I don't need a makeup. So see you.